Bismillah. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to solve black screen in Elementor. Okay. First step, edit with Elementor. You can see. Okay. That is black screen. Okay. And then you can solve it. Go to dashboard again and click Elementor, click tools, still waiting. Okay, click tools, and then click version control, and set to 299. Reinstall. Continue. Okay. Okay, and back to plugin. Okay, this wait. And we will going to pages. And click home. And click edit with Elementor, okay? Please wait. Okay, that is a green process. You can see on the top. Okay, please wait. Okay, done. Elementor can be used now. Okay, thank you very much.